Hey there! Welcome to this video on how to generate passive income with Chatbot. Chatbot is a large language model trained by OpenAI, and in this video, we'll be discussing how you can use Chatbot to generate passive income. So, let's dive in.
What is passive income? Before we get into how you can use Chatbot to generate passive income, let's first understand what passive income is. Passive income is income that you earn without having to actively work for it. It's money that comes in even when you're not actively doing something to earn it.
How can Chatbot help you generate passive income? Chatbot can help you generate passive income by allowing you to create content that can be monetized. You can use Chatbot to write articles, blog posts, social media posts, and even books. By creating content, you can earn passive income from advertising revenue, affiliate marketing, and selling products.
Advertising revenue. One way to earn passive income with Chatbot is through advertising revenue. You can create content using Chatbot and publish it on platforms such as Medium, Quora, or even your own blog. Once your content starts generating traffic, you can monetize it through advertising revenue. Platforms such as Google AdSense will pay you a percentage of the revenue generated by ads displayed on your content.
Affiliate marketing. Another way to earn passive income with Chatbot is through affiliate marketing. You can create content promoting products or services that you use and love. By including affiliate links in your content, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your links.
Selling products. Finally, you can use Chatbot to create and sell products. You can use Chatbot to write a book, create an online course, or even design merchandise. By creating and selling products, you can earn passive income from the sales of your products.
Conclusion. So, there you have it. By using Chatbot, you can generate passive income by creating content that can be monetized through advertising revenue, affiliate marketing, and selling products. Remember, passive income requires an initial investment of time and effort. But once you've created content that generates traffic, you can sit back and earn money without actively working for it. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe our channel.